We're in the park. We just got our pass. Unfortunately, it has you know whose face on it, so we will be getting a sleeve immediately. But and I'm not talking about George Washington. Yeah, we're in Yosemite and we're gonna be heading to Tunnel View and slash Wawona right now. Our stop now at Wawona Village, which is like a historic village in Yosemite. So I'm gonna take some videos and show you what that looks like. I'm obsessed. I really like it here so far. I kept telling Ryan will I like this as much as I liked Yellowstone, and I'm already like right in the beginning and I already like it a lot. We are just leaving Wawona now, the Frontier historical site. But yeah, we are headed now to Tunnel View and then, of course, to see those epic views. Ryan is just going potty and then we're gonna get back on the road. Also, yesterday we were able to find a Dutch Bros up here somehow. I don't even know. This is a cold brew. And mine, if I can get it out, mine is green tea, a strawberry green tea. We have just passed through the tunnel, as you would have seen, and we are at Tunnel View now, so I will show you what that looks like. We are in the car now. I'm still looking at it, but we just finished doing the lower trails, Yosemite Falls, upper and lower, but we didn't do upper because that's a really long hike, and it was really, really pretty. Now we are in the car. We have a really, really, really good view of the falls, upper and lower, from our car, so we're gonna eat our lunch here, which is last night's pizza. Thank you. Pizza with a view. Okay, I wanted to pop by and just give you a little bit of an update. It's about, I think, 12:30, 1 o'clock. It did get to 75 degrees, which it was supposed to. So, now we're kind of feeling good. It's like nice and light and breezy though, so it's not like a hot 75. We are at the village, Yosemite Village Visitor Center, and we're gonna pop in there and just like see what we can see if we can get any souvenirs and things like that. But also, Ryan, his hiking boots have given him a blister, so he's trying to figure that out. He even put moleskin on it and everything, and we haven't even been doing serious hikes, but they're just very tight and they haven't been broken in yet. And yeah, anyway, but yeah, we are probably gonna do mist trails tomorrow. This is definitely a hiker's paradise for sure. We are not avid hikers. We're not big hikers. Most of the hikes that we are going to be doing or plan to do are going to be relatively easy, and like low effort. But there are so many options for you if you are a very serious hiker, and from so many different levels of like moderate and then like difficult, etc. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. And then I don't know, we are here during a shoulder season, so we're not here like during peak season, which is I think it's end of May to September, and we're here before then. So some things aren't open, like Tioga Pass and Tioga Road, they're not open. Glacier Point is not open. They're actually expecting a snowstorm here in, well, not a snow, well, rain and snow and sleet. But we're still having fun, even though there are a lot of closures. We might stop by Hetch Hetchy because we have time and we've already seen a lot of what we wanted to see, and we still have like 2 more days here. This year, for the first time, they are no longer requiring you to have reservations. So I don't know what is gonna happen this summer. It's craziness. So just something to keep in mind. Are now on our way to Cook's Meadow and Sentinel Bridge, and Ryan is braving through it because his foot is hurting.
Getting blisters already.
Yeah. Okay, we just got done with Cook's Meadow and Centennial Bridge, and I mean, I loved it. We are going to be leaving the park now, just so you know. If you're staying outside the park, it takes about an hour 10 to an hour and 30 minutes to get wherever you are going, and we're staying in Oakhurst, so it's about an hour and 30 minutes. A few takeaways from the first day in Yosemite. It's very easily accessible. You don't need to really do a lot. If you don't want to, you can just stand and see epic views anywhere you look, which is amazing. It's very, and I was joking with Ryan and I was saying we're gonna do Yosemite light, because we're doing the light version of Yosemite. You could go as hard as you want if you wanted to, but we're choosing to do Yosemite light. And this is a great park to do that, because you really can access everything with your eyes from any vantage point in the park. It's beautiful here. Epic views, jaw-droppingly beautiful, especially right in the beginning when you first get in, tunnel view, and right before tunnel view. You're just seeing these like epic rock faces, and it's just, the sheer size of it is just, I don't know. It's very beautiful, very breathtaking. I understand why people like Yosemite as much as they do. This is definitely a hiker's paradise for sure. We will be coming back tomorrow to do the Mist Trail hike and to do Mariposa. It's like a loop.
Everything so far has been super easy. I mean, like, yeah. I would even call the walks
very easy,
very light. Like, not even.
Bridal Veil was easy. Cooks was easy. Yeah, I mean, all really, really easy. Yeah.
You're still at altitude. Just be aware of that.
They changed it, so now you only have like, it's like one-way streets. There's no option to turn around and go back. You have to like loop all the way around again, and it kind of, I think it's meant to help the flow of traffic, right? That's what you were thinking too.
That's probably what it is.
But it does make it a little bit difficult if you miss something that you want to see. You have to go all the way back around. So that's about it. We're gonna head out, and then we'll show you if we see anything cool. We might try to hit Bass Lake later on today. We'll see. Anyway, we're headed to Bass Lake now. We just want to check it out. It's like a little lake town right next to where we're staying. Good morning. It is day 2. We are headed back into the park. Today we got a little bit of a later start, but that's partly because today is Saturday, and we think that a lot of people, even though it is still shoulder season, will be headed into the main part of the park, which is Yosemite Valley. So we've decided to not go into Yosemite Valley today. Instead, we're going to go just into the park and go into like Wawona area and Mariposa area, and hopefully see some really cool things. Mariposa is known to have really big sequoias, and then Wawona is just a cool town with some hikes and stuff like that. Update: we are finally at the entrance. It's taken us an hour to get here, but we're right here at the front here, so we're gonna get in the park and we'll show you what we get into once we get to Mariposa. Come early if you don't want to wait in the line. Come early. Luckily, we're not going all the way into the valley today, so this wasn't that big of a deal, but if we were, that's another hour. Yeah, come early. We are starting our hike in. It's a mile, almost 2 miles in and back, because it's off season, so the buses and shuttles don't run right now. You have to walk in to see them. We hit some incline, or would you call these switchbacks? Not really. It's just steep incline. So, I'm resting. You know, have that blood condition, so I've got to rest. Got some burn scars on the tree here. When I was looking for places to stay in Yosemite, I obviously was just like flying by the seat of my pants and trying to figure out a place to stay. Inside this magazine, it said it has a bunch of like ads and stuff. This ad right here, this one right here said the Redwoods, and then it said we have 120 cabins in Yosemite that are not like run by the national park. They're just regular cabins. And that's what we're driving right now. So it's partly a kids camp on the side, but then all the rest of the stuff in the back here is where all these cabins are. So it's actually kind of good that we went down this road, because I was trying to figure out where would those be. So I'll show you a few more. It is our last and final day here at Yosemite. We are headed to the park now. It's about 7:15. We got up this morning at 6, bright and early. We are going to be doing the Miss Falls Trail today. Not like the whole loop. There's a whole loop you can do, which is like 6.6 miles. We're just going to the bottom of Miss Falls, which is Vernal Falls. But we're going to the bottom, and then we're going to probably stop there. Our feet and our bodies are very, very tired and sore, so I think that's about all we can do. But if we do anything else or anything different, we will definitely show you. I think we're gonna get, I think I'm gonna get some good videos and some good pictures here. This is like a top fall that everybody wants to do. Ryan is most excited for this one. Right, right?
Yeah, definitely excited.
Yeah, this is the one that he really, really wants to do.
Turn and walk down towards the river. Or if we miss that turn,
Actually, now in the park, we're headed to Yosemite Village, but when we went through, they weren't even open yet. That's how early we were. So, I don't know, maybe that's, if you guys want to try that, I mean, if you get here pretty early, I guess they're not open. So, one guy said he goes at 5 a.m. and no one's there, so that's a way to not pay, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, we're headed in now. We're going to see Tunnel View again for the second time. I can't wait to see it again. And I'll show you what that looks like, and then we're going to get right into the trail. A minute.
Follow through, take your time. You move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. Gentle hands, golden eyes. I am a man made of borrowed time. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push away. I swear I love you, but I am afraid.
Oh my god.
Afraid I will let you down one day.
We did it! We did the hike! Woo! We are in Curry Village. We are actually going to be leaving now. We're going to leave the park a bit early today. It's about, oh, I don't know. It's about noon. So, yeah, we're leaving now, giving someone else a parking spot because it's getting kind of busy up here. But, yeah, we have one more thing that I think we're going to try and do tonight. And then I'll end off the vlog.
Golden flames, silver vows. You hold me still, I don't know how. You're holier than I am, holier than I am.
Cheers. We decided to park next to Merced River. Okay, I'm back. We decided not to leave the park yet. We just can't get enough. So we stopped at Cascade Falls. It's a cute little falls here. So I'm going to take a video of the falls, but you can see it even here, the cascades all the way down. It's really, really cute.
I swear I love you, but I am afraid, afraid I will
Is it good?
let you down.
Yeah? Woo! Oh, ho, ho.
I'll push away. Close your eyes, I'll slip away. I know I can change, I'm built this way.
We are at our last stop. It is Sugar Pine Railroad. It's a historic railroad in Oakhurst. It's about an hour long trip And they give you all this like historical information while you wind through the pines.
I've been chasing clouds deeper than I ever known. For some time I've been sleeping, but not the way I used to dream. I used to be some other man stuck in between. By the way I'm
So we're sitting on top in the caboose.
In the cupola.
this poetry, but I'll keep talking, keep on walking. Someday I might burn out. Follow me like a shirt you never wear, forgotten somewhere. Always me, stuck inside the same old song, singing it for far too long. For some time I've been sleeping.
So we're at the Sugar Pine
Railroad. And we're actually sitting right there. We're in the highest level, the best level. Don't tell anybody, but we're the coolest.
But not the way I used to dream. I used to be some other man stuck in between. Come what may, I've been bleeding. By the way I'm falling faster, wild and free. I don't like this poetry, but I'll keep talking, keep on walking till someday I might burn out.
And we're back from Sugar Pine Railroad. What did you think about that experience? I loved it. Wasn't it great? They were so wonderful too. We stayed, like I said, up in the cupola area,
in the caboose.
which is in the caboose on the top. And the conductor was really kind and like took a bunch of videos and pictures and was just, I don't know, it was a really once in a lifetime beautiful experience. But that is going to be all for this vlog. We are going to be headed to our next location. And so hopefully we'll see you there. Bye.